Kodak Dock Plus 4-pass printer. Turn your phone into a photo factory. Tired of boring prints and overpriced photo labs? The Kodak Dock Plus 4-pass instant photo printer transforms your smartphone into a portable photo studio. This all-in-one gadget doesn't just print, it elevates your photo game with stunning borderless or bordered 4x6 prints. Powered by revolutionary dye-sublimation 4-pass technology, this printer creates flawless, laminated, smudge-proof, and water-resistant photos that can last over 100 years. With the bonus of wireless Bluetooth and phone docking, the Kodak Dock Plus isn't just another gadget, it's your ticket to timeless memories. Why settle for less when you can print perfection? Kodak's 4-pass printing process is a game-changer. Unlike ordinary inkjet printers, this technology layers vibrant colors with breathtaking precision, giving you rich, professional-quality prints at home. Want to go borderless for that modern look? Done. Prefer bordered prints to jot down memories? Easy. With a bundle of 90 photo sheets included, this printer offers the lowest cost per print on the market. Stop throwing money at pricey print shops, bring professional-grade printing to your fingertips and save big in the long run. Print, charge, and flex, all at once. The Kodak Dock Plus isn't just a printer, it's your phone's best friend. Dock your phone to charge while you effortlessly print your favorite photos. It's compatible with both iOS and Android, connecting seamlessly via Bluetooth. No fumbling with wires, no complicated setups, just dock, tap, and print. And with the Kodak Photo Printer app, you can edit, add fun frames, or dive into augmented reality features before you print. This isn't just printing, it's an experience. Built for durability, designed for nostalgia. Remember the charm of retro 35mm Kodak film? The Kodak Dock Plus pays homage to that classic aesthetic while delivering cutting-edge functionality. The sleek, compact design fits any space, and the prints are built to last. Thanks to their laminated coating, these photos resist water, fingerprints, and fading. Whether it's your kid's birthday party or a breathtaking vacation sunset, your memories will stand the test of time. Affordable, reliable, and simply a must-have. With its unbeatable photo quality, durable design, and incredibly low printing costs, the Kodak Dock Plus stands head and shoulders above the competition. It's more than just a photo printer, it's a time saver, a money saver, and a memory maker. Whether you're printing snapshots of daily life or creating keepsakes for special moments, this device delivers perfection every time. Why wait? Level up your photo game and bring home the Kodak Dock Plus today. It's the ultimate blend of nostalgia and modern tech.